Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Patrick. A big shout out and warm welcome back to our 23 subscribers. Hey 240 crew, what up? Today we're gonna be taking a look at the oil on the Volvo wagon. Let's jump right into it. While we're under here, it's a really good idea to put a little bit of paper towel or a rag or something underneath the oil filter to prevent excess oil from dripping down onto your right side engine mount. Just like that. All right, if you were paying attention to the first part of the video, it's actually a 25mm wrench, not a 24. All we gotta do is crack this nut and let the oil drain out. We're gonna get this out of the way. New oil filter, we want to take just a little bit of oil and go around the seal and some on the threads. That way we can get it off next time. We're almost done. We want to add our new oil in. The Volvo 240 uses 4 quarts of oil, which makes this really easy. Put our new stuff in. Last thing, Volvo 240 happens to have something called a flame trap, this little piece. It should be changed when you change your oil filter. All right, and just like that, we have our oil changed. Thanks for watching. If you would, please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you in the next episode.